Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about Booleans and why it's important in Unity and the difference between single equals and doubles equals. So basically a Boolean is a way of storing a true or a false statement. For example, we can have a public bool named jumping and we can store a value whether we are jumping or we are not jumping inside of it. And in this first case, this is how we can set is jumping to true or false. So over here I have this example. If we have some logic is true, then we set is jumping to true. And notice how we use a single equals to set something. So we can set is jumping to true or set is jumping to false. The next example I have is where we are comparing. So in this case, we use doubles equals, and we have if is jumping it's equals to true, doubles equals. What we're doing is that we're checking the value if is jumping and seeing if it matches to true. So that's the purpose of the doubles equals. It is to compare. So in review, singles equals is for setting and doubles equals is for comparing.